Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we're going to be seeing what this button does. So I'm going to press it and then we're going to see what happens on the dash. There it is. It's the lock. So it locks the wheels, and I'm going to actually read up on it. I'm going to tell you what this does because I use it in the wintertime. And I think you can use it when you're hauling something. I pressed it again, so I just pressed it in, pressed it out, and I think when you're hauling heavy loads or what have you. So I'm gonna talk about this while I look it up. So it is the lock. It is the let's see. Let's look down here. What is it? It looks like a I'll figure it. Oh, it's probably over here. Slip. Look at that, slip indicator light. No, it's not that. So I'm going to continue to talk about it, and I'm going to find it, but I believe it's for the winter time, and it helps you, it locks a couple wheels up so you don't slide. So I'm going to say it's like a differential, or it locks the differential, but I'm looking it up right now just for you guys, and I believe I'm trying to look through the manual, and I just want to talk and give you guys a little talking video here. And as I'm talking, I'm looking it up. I could have looked it up beforehand, but that's no fun. But this is a Toyota RAV4, and it's a pretty cool machine. Now I did a video on that sensor, the DAC, that button right there. That button is over there. It's a prior video. It's right there. I don't have that feature. If it'll focus, I don't have that feature, but it's the it assists you going downhill. Now I'm continuing to look for this this button in my manual, and it is pretty neat. That so I've seen the word percolates. That's a pretty gnarly word. So I just got back from a walk, and I am sweating profusely, and it's a good way for your body to cool itself down. But it's going to take me forever to find this, so I'm going to be right back. Okay, so it is the four-wheel drive lock switch. All right, now I'm going to go to page 192, and I'm going to talk about that. But first, I'm going to show you guys that I have, in fact, a Toyota RAV4. So there it is, Toyota RAV4, and that's the vehicle here, and the cars are making a bunch of beeping sounds. I'm going to actually finish this video elsewhere. So I'm going to lock it up, and it's beeping because it just wants to beep. But anyway, so I'll be right back at you. Well, actually, it's a limited. It's the Toyota RAV4, and so I'll be right back. Okay, so it's actually for power. It's four-wheel drive lock mode, can be used when a large amount of drive power needs to be applied to all the wheels, such as when the vehicle gets stuck in mud and you need to free it. Press the switch. The torque of the engine is distributed to the rear wheels to the maximum extent possible in accordance with the driving conditions. Pressing the switch again cancels four-wheel drive lock mode and returns the active torque control four-wheel drive system to normal mode. Okay, so it actually if you get in mud and you're stuck and you need to get out, you lock the wheels up. This is kind of like a country, one of those where you get out the winch and you pull your four-wheeler out. And I'm not going to change my voice or use any descriptives when describing that. But look at this. That's degrading. The paint's decaying. You can see the concrete. But anyway, so I'm not going to use any country terms here. But so here we are, and so I'm going to get closer to the vehicle. So here we are, we're up front. So this is the front of the car. So it locks all the wheels. So it has something to do with the differential, and it'll lock it all up. It'll actually lock. I would guess it locks two wheels up, but I'm not too sure. But all I know is if you're pretty much in snow or ice or mud, or you're stuck and you need extra power to, it says extra, what's it say? Large amount of drive power needs to be applied to all the wheels. To all the wheels, okay. So all the wheels get all the power. I guess instead of the original 4-wheel drive. I don't know, but you guys probably know more than I do. So that's it. Have a great day. Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. This is part of my bonus video or what have you, and I'm walking, so I'm doing a lot of walking, and I'm on top of a bridge. It's a long ways down, but anyway, I rest in a spot, get my heart rate down, and I'm just kind of chilling, and I walk from point A to point B, and the thing is, you gotta walk facing traffic, so traffic's coming, and you gotta be on that same side on the sidewalk. That way you can see people coming, and I try to get over, so you know, in case they swerve, they'll hit you. But anyway, so this is my bonus video. It's gonna be a secondary part of my video. So my initial video is gonna be something to do with my car. And, that's it for now.